Right angle triangle ABC is given here, where angle C is 90 degrees. The side opposite to angle E is denoted by small letter A. The side that is opposite to angle P is denoted by small letter P. Similarly, the side that is opposite to angle C is denoted by small letter C. The longest side of a triangle is opposite to the largest angle. Here, side AB is the longest side of the triangle, while angle C is the largest angle of the triangle. So in right angled triangle, the right angle means 90 degree is known as largest angle. It's mean that in triangle there should be a 190 degree angle, so it is known as the largest angle of a triangle. So here C is the 90 degree angle, that is the largest angle of a triangle. The side opposite to it is known as largest side. So means opposite to it mean the side that is opposite to 90 degree is known as largest side. Here AB is the side that is opposite to 90 degree. So AB is known as the largest side of a triangle. So largest side is known as the hypotenuse of a triangle. So here AB is the largest side of triangle. So AB is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. Let's do some examples regarding to hypotenuse of the triangle. So here is a triangle ABC. So which side is the hypotenuse? Any idea? Yes. So largest side is known as hypotenuse of a triangle, and we know that largest side is opposite to the largest angle. Here angle B is the largest angle because it is of 90 degree, and AC is a side that is opposite to the largest angle. So AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. Let's do one more example. There is a PQR and we have to find the same thing, means what is the hypotenuse of triangle PQR. We know that hypotenuse is opposite to the 90 degree. So here P is the 90 degree angle. So QR is a side that is opposite to the 90 degree. So QR is the hypotenuse of the triangle PQR. There is a geometry in the hewing of the strings. There is music in the spacing of the spheres. So this is a quote of famous Pythagorean mathematician Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras came up with elegant proof from the famous Pythagorean theorem. This theorem is applicable on right triangle, means square of one side plus square of other side is equal to square of hypotenuse. In other words, we can say that A square plus B square is equal to C square. Means here C square means hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. A square plus B square is equal to C square. This is known as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem plays a vital role in geometry. Pythagoras theorem has vast application in practical life like constructing of buildings, GPS, satellite system, and Pythagoras theorem is also applicable in trigonometry. It has a vast application of Pythagoras theorem in trigonometry. Pythagoras theorem can also be used to find the slopes of the different objects. In other words, we can say that Pythagoras theorem is applicable in so many applications in real life, and so many applications are there. So how can we apply Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is only applicable on right triangle. Means if two sides are given, then we can easily find the third side by applying the Pythagoras theorem. Let's do some examples. Find values of unknown sides. Here is triangle ABC. So the dimensions are AB is 3, BC is 2, and AC is x. Means x is unknown. We have to find the value of unknown side, that is AC. So step 1, we have to find hypotenuse. So side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Here angle B is 90 degree. So the side opposite to angle B is AC. So AC is the hypotenuse. So step 2 is apply the theorem. Means apply Pythagoras theorem. So A square plus B square is equal to C square. Step 3 is assign values and simplify. So here is a C square, means C square is a hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse is x. So we have to replace C by x. And A square plus B square mean we take 3 as a or B. It's our choice. We can take 2 as a or B. It's our choice. Here I'm going to take 3 as a and 2 as a B. Then 3 square plus 2 square is equal to x square. In next step, simplifying the squares, 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to x square. 9 plus 4 equals to 13 equals to x square. At the last step, take square root on both sides. Square root 13 equals to x. And if you want to simplify it further, take square root, then you simplify it. One more example. Triangle PQR is given while its dimensions are PR is 3, QR is 4, and PQ is Y. And we have to find the unknown, means Y is unknown. So again, same steps. We have to find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to 90 degree. So where is the 90 degree? Yes, P is 90 degree, and the side opposite to P is QR. So that is QR is the hypotenuse. Step 2 is applying the formula, means applying the Pythagoras theorem. So A square plus B square is equal to C square. It is a Pythagoras theorem. And step 3 is assign values and simplify. So here hypotenuse is this 4. So C is replaced by 4. And now it's my choice whether Y is taken as a or B, or 3 will be taken as A or B. It's my choice that whether I take Y as a or a B. So here I'm going to take Y as a. So Y square plus 3 square equals to 4 square. In next step, simplifying the squares, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. Then in next step, 9 will go on left hand side and we get the answer Y square equals to 8. At the last step, we have to take on square root on both sides and we get Y equals to square root 8. Let's do one more example with the combination of two triangles. And the figure is given below. Find the length of QS and SR. So as it is shown in figure that there are two triangles. First triangle is PQS and the second triangle is QSR. While we have to find the values of QS and SR, these are the unknown. Okay, now I have to take firstly one triangle. Now which triangle I will take? If I am going to take QSR, but there is QS is unknown as well as SR is unknown, so I can't simplify it. So I want to take a triangle in which only one side is unknown. So PQS, this is a triangle in which only QS is unknown. So in triangle PQS, so first step is finding the hypotenuse. So in triangle PQS, where is the 90 degree? Yes, there is the 90 degree. And the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So PS is the hypotenuse. So after that, apply the theorem. So PS is a hypotenuse square is equal to square of some other two sides. Then assigning the values, PQ is 45 degree, QS is unknown, remain as it is, PS is 53 centimeter, so 53 square. In next step, take the squares of each term. Then in next step, 2025 will go on left hand side as it is. Then simplification we get QS square equals to 784. In last step we have to take square root on both sides. So QS equals to 28 centimeter. So now I'm going to take a triangle QSR. So again, first step is identify the hypotenuse. So where is the 90 degree in this QSR? Yes, this is the 90 degree angle because both are perpendicular to each other. So the side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. So QR is hypotenuse. So apply the theorem. So QR means QR square hypotenuse square is equal to square sum of square of other two sides, means QS square plus QR square. Now assigning the values. So QR is 30, so we have to put a QS. There is a no QS, but in previous we had to find the value of QS, and to get QS is 28. So we have to replace here QS by 28. Then in next step we have to take squares. In next step 784 will go on right hand side, and we get 900 minus 784. The answer is 116. In last step we have to take square root on both sides. So SR is equal to 10.7 centimeter. Okay, my dear listeners, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get my further tutorials. Take care and bye-bye.